proposed tax plan proposes to eliminate deductions like mortgage interest and add a 1% surtax on capital gains. It's Friday, March 7th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. The proposed tax changes also include higher income taxes for wealthy residents to help address the $3 billion deficit. While Maryland's quality of life is an attractive reason to live here, and the charm of Annapolis is certainly a draw, Annapolis home prices continue to trend upwards. 31% of homes listed are over $1 million, and the median home price is at $565,000. Inventory is slowly rising with 137 for sale in Annapolis this report. 27 properties are coming soon. 25 homes went under contract in 6 days this report. 18 homes sold for 100% list to sold ratio and in 9 days. Rentals fell again this week to 35 homes at $3,000 median per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, March 7th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Take care.